Matt Furlong with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're taking a look at a 2022 Premier Sunsation 210 pontoon. Premier's going to be a new line for us here at MarineMax in Rogers. This one's a crimson red exterior with the hammered charcoal rails to it. Really sharp looking setup. Let's take a look at the inside of this pontoon and go over some of the features. All right, so now as we step on board with this pontoon, we're going to notice we have the dual captain's chairs in the front. This is going to be the dinette layout. It's a really nice option for people that are looking to get out and entertain with family and friends. You have a table that goes right in between the two front chairs here. Gives you that opportunity to be able to just sit and relax, enjoy your guests, and formalize without the couches facing forward. Lots of features to this. We're going to have storage underneath all the seats. We have our in-floor storage, the raised helm setup that we're going to have here. So you've got that nice, comfortable cushioning that Premier is known for, as well as the nice open layout throughout it. As we move our way back around the wraparound in the back here, we have our paper towel holder in the back corner. We've got interior lighting throughout this, so you can see this is going to be changeable RGB lighting, just right at the touch of a button here, so we can change all those different colors for the interior lights. And also going to be matching is going to be the tow frame in the rear here. So for your ski tow bar, you've got that lighted insert that goes right along with the interior color for the RGB lighting. This one also has your pop-up change station, so you do have that portable head area, which is nice to have when you're out on the lake for an entire day. Give us a call at MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Set up an appointment to come in and check out a brand new Premier pontoon.